Google is a giant in the world of AI. It seems untouchable. For years it has led the charge in artificial intelligence, setting the standard for innovation and technological advancement. From search algorithms to self-driving cars, Google's AI has been at the forefront of numerous groundbreaking developments. But hold on, there's a new challenger approaching, a force that is ready to disrupt the status quo and take on the tech behemoth. This isn't just any company, it's a company known for connecting people. A company that has revolutionized the way we interact and communicate in the digital age. But now, they're connecting with the future of AI. They're leveraging their vast network and resources to make significant strides in artificial intelligence. Who dares to challenge Google? Who has the audacity to step into the ring with the reigning champion of AI? It's Meta, the company behind Facebook and Instagram. Once known primarily for social media, Meta is now making waves in the AI industry. You might know them for social media. Their platforms have billions of users worldwide, creating a vast digital ecosystem. But Meta is quietly becoming a powerhouse in the world of artificial intelligence. Their research labs are buzzing with activity, and their engineers are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're making big moves, catching up to Google fast. Their growth in AI capabilities is nothing short of impressive. This isn't just a friendly competition, it's a high-stakes battle for dominance in the AI landscape. This is about who will shape the future of AI. The winner will have the power to influence the direction of technology for years to come. The technology that will change our world. From healthcare to transportation, AI will revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Get ready for a showdown. The stakes have never been higher. The battle for AI supremacy is on. Who will emerge victorious in this epic clash of tech titans? We all know Meta. It's a name synonymous with social media, connecting billions of people around the globe. They connect us with friends and family online, making the world feel smaller and more connected. But behind the scenes, something else is happening. Beyond the likes, shares, and comments, there's a technological revolution underway. Meta is building cutting-edge AI. This isn't just about improving social media algorithms, it's about pioneering the future of artificial intelligence. They're investing heavily in research and development, pouring resources into creating smarter, more intuitive AI systems. Their goal? To become a leader in the AI revolution, setting the pace for innovation and technological advancement. Think about the data Meta has. Every interaction, every post, every like and share is a piece of the puzzle. Billions of users, posts, likes, and shares. This vast amount of data is invaluable. This data is pure gold for training AI algorithms, providing a rich resource for developing more sophisticated AI. It's a goldmine that Google can only dream of. Meta's data trove gives it a unique edge in the AI race. This data allows Meta to create AI that understands human behavior better, making interactions more natural and intuitive. Meta isn't just playing catch-up, they're pushing boundaries and setting new standards. They're developing their own unique AI technologies, tailored to meet the needs of tomorrow. They're focusing on areas like natural language processing and computer vision, which are crucial for the next generation of AI. This means they're teaching AI to understand our words and see the world like we do, bridging the gap between human and machine. Meta is making waves with its AI projects. Take Make a Video for example. This AI can create short video clips from just a text description. Imagine the possibilities for content creators, marketers, and educators. Imagine typing a cat wearing a hat, chasing a butterfly in a field of flowers. The AI brings your imagination to life in seconds. Boom! Your video is ready. Then there's Cicero, another groundbreaking AI. This AI is a master strategist. It can analyze complex scenarios and come up with winning strategies. It can negotiate, persuade, and even anticipate your next move. Imagine its potential in business negotiations and strategic planning. It's so good, it can play complex games like diplomacy at a human level. This showcases its advanced decision-making capabilities. This has huge implications for AI in business and beyond. From automating tasks to enhancing decision-making processes, the possibilities are endless. These innovations are just the tip of the iceberg. Meta is pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. Meta is working on AI that can translate languages instantly, breaking down communication barriers across the globe. Write different kinds of creative text formats, from poetry to technical manuals, enhancing productivity and creativity, and answer your questions in an informative way. The future of AI is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Section 4, Open versus Closed, a tale of two AI strategies. Here's where things get interesting. Google and Meta have very different approaches to AI. Google keeps its AI close to its chest. It develops its technologies in-house and guards them carefully. Think of it like a secret recipe. Meta, on the other hand, is embracing open-source AI. They're sharing their research and code with the world. Think of it like a cookbook that everyone can contribute to. This approach has its advantages. Open-source AI fosters collaboration and innovation. Developers from all over the world can contribute to Meta's projects. This leads to faster progress and more creative solutions. It's like a global brainstorming session for AI. Section 5. The open source advantage, collaboration, and customization. Meta's open source approach to AI has another benefit. It allows for greater customization. Businesses and developers can take Meta's AI tools and tailor them to their specific needs. This is a big deal. Imagine a small business owner using Meta's AI to create personalized marketing campaigns, or a doctor using it to analyze medical images with greater accuracy. The possibilities are endless with open source AI. This open approach challenges Google's dominance in the AI field. By making AI more accessible, Meta is empowering a new generation of innovators. It's a move that could reshape the future of AI as we know it. Section 6. The future of AI, a collaborative landscape. The competition between Google and Meta is heating up, but it's not just about who comes out on top. It's about the future of AI. Will it be controlled by a few powerful companies, or will it be a more open and collaborative field? Meta's open-source approach could tip the scales towards collaboration. Imagine a world where anyone can access and contribute to the development of AI. This could lead to a more diverse and inclusive AI landscape. This collaborative approach could unlock the true potential of AI. It could lead to breakthroughs in healthcare, education, climate change, and countless other fields. The possibilities are truly limitless. Section 7, stay tuned. The AI revolution continues. The battle for AI supremacy is just beginning. Google may be the current champion, but Meta is a worthy challenger. With its open-source approach and innovative technologies, Meta is poised to shake things up. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting ride. The AI revolution is gaining momentum, and Meta is at the forefront. Who knows what amazing AI-powered future awaits us? Want to stay up to date on the latest breakthroughs in AI and the battle between these tech titans? Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing insights. Don't miss out on the future.